Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show or hide a scroll bar in Windows 11 Terminal app. For this, click on the Start button and then type Terminal. In the search results, click on this one Terminal app to open it on your Windows 11 PC. Then click on this one Down arrow button and then select here Settings option. In the settings window, under profiles, click on this one defaults. On the right side, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one appearance under additional settings. Then again scroll down to the bottom and here under window section you will see a scroll bar visibility. Use this one drop down menu and select visible, hidden or always according to your needs, and after that click on this one save button to apply the changes. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video press thumbs up. Bye bye.